Hey filmmaker Chung here. In this video we are going to review and unbox this V.LAV from DEITY. DEITY is a brand new company on the market making special new microphones that is actually directly compatible with your phone and also your camera. So it makes it much easier to actually directly plug your microphone into your camera or even into your laptop to record directly with them without needing to buy a special adapter. So let's open this and see what's inside. So first look at the box. So we can see here on the back it says in the box a V.LAV microphone, Fox windscreen, carrying pouch, foam screen and a microphone tie clip. And here on the side, low self noise, multi-device compatible, long battery life and working status indication. So I'm not quite sure if I need to use a battery with this microphone. So here we have like a QR code sticker so we can see it's sealed. So let's open this up. So, wow, okay. There's actually also much more inside of the box here. So here we have a warranty, small manual, a qualified indication thing. So this is the pouch that you get with it. So you can actually put it on your belt. So nice gold print on here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. So this is like a hard case. Inside here there's like also a small pouch. Okay, so that's what's inside there. So you get an additional foam screen, a white dead cat for your, or like a fluff to get yeah, so you don't get any wind noise. And it's really a lot of cable. So this is 5-meter cable that you get with this, and that is enough for if you don't want to use like a wireless setup, but you can also of course plug this into your phone. But 5 meters is actually quite long for like if you want to use this like with your phone, especially if you want to have your phone in your pocket. Inside of this here there you need to put 2 batteries. So I don't know if that is already in there. Okay, so it's like a very simple latch opening here. So, let's see. Okay. So there's already 2 batteries in there. So you don't need to buy those again. But you do need to know it's a extra battery you need to buy for this if this runs out of battery. So I don't know how many hours it will run off these 2 small batteries. So that's the only downside I see, that you need to use like a off-size battery for this product. So that was what's in the box. So now we go into the city and test this out. Hey guys, I am now in Bangkok testing out the V.LAV from DEITY. Now clip on with it, and you can now hear the audio quality. I'm standing pretty much at the most busiest crossing here in Bangkok. All the cars are passing me by like really close up, and you can hear if the sound quality is that good or not. And yeah, this is a very extreme situation, but I want to test out how well this clip mic does in controlling, basically controlling the noise in a very difficult situation. Because sometimes you are in a very loud and noisy location and you want to at least capture a good audio signal. And also we have here the people now crossing behind me, so you can hear if the audio still is right with a lot of people passing me and talking. So this is a really proper audio test, and this is actually the audio when the microphone is not plugged into my Panasonic DEITY V. But here this is properly really noisy, and yeah, hopefully you can hear the actual difference between using a clip mic, the V.LAV from DEITY, and not using a V.LAV at all. So I'm now actually going to plug in the V.LAV into my phone and record an audio with this. So I'm gonna put this in selfie mode. So I am now recording with the DEITY V.LAV on my phone, and yeah, we're still at the very busy street, people walking behind me. And yeah, how is the audio? So is it still good? Please comment below how it is. And yeah, this is a very interesting thing because I can change or plug this directly from my camera into my phone and get like the same audio quality without having to add an adapter. But still, yeah, let's go to a different location where it's a little bit quieter. So we are now using the V.LAV on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and the 5-meter cable is actually nice to be able to walk a little bit away from the camera and stand a little bit further. However, yeah, with my phone this far away, I am not eager to actually have my phone this far away from me if I am traveling, because especially if you are in a foreign country and you don't know if there's a lot of pickpockets. And right now you can listen to the audio how well it is. We are at a still quite busy location. We are on a sky bridge on a quite hectic road on the bottom of this sky bridge, and also we have a lot of people here walking past. So it's quite a lot, still a very noisy environment with a lot of ambient noise. So, but I want to test out this microphone, how well it does in such a situation where I can still get like proper clean audio from this small lavalier. So hope you guys yeah, can actually listen how well it actually does or not. So I'm now using the V.LAV on my phone and using my phone as a recorder. So this gives me freedom to walk around much more freely and much further away. However, the downside is I have this bunch of cable here, and it's a little bit annoying because it's quite a lot and it's quite a big bunch. That is the downside of the 5-meter cable. I feel like it would be better if they actually made a shorter cable and gave you like an extension cable instead of being directly 5-meter, because I feel like I don't need to have 5-meter all the time, and having it actually short with an extension cable, I feel like that might be a better option instead. So I am now using the V.LAV on my Panasonic GH5. We are now at a different location. We are at Temple Street in Hong Kong. So this street actually has a lot of people now here eating, and also a lot of people walking past. So yeah, we can actually listen how well the audio is here, because for me, I can hear a lot of people talking in the background, so that's basically a lot of ambient sound. And I'm not quite sure if that is picked up by this microphone, the V.LAV from DEITY. So hope you guys yeah, can hear that. Now we are recording the built-in microphone of the Panasonic GH5. You can now hear how loud the background noise is, or the ambient sound is. And we are going to use my phone with the V.LAV, because I noticed that if I unplug the mic from my GH5, it just would not record any audio. So we need to do it like this. So I'm gonna turn on my phone and start recording, and actually a few clips so I can sync it. And now I'm on my phone. So now I'm using the V.LAV on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So I hope the audio is much better than the built-in mic of the Panasonic GH5. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of people here sitting behind me eating, and also people here standing in the line talking. And yeah, there's quite a lot of ambient sound going on, and hopefully the sound is now much better with the V.LAV. And actually, let's unplug this mic and yeah, hear the difference with my phone without a mic plugged in. This is now my Panasonic, or this is now my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus without a mic plugged in. So this is now the built-in microphone. Hope you can hear that there is a major sound difference. And we are now back in the studio, and we are using the V.LAV from DEITY still, and you can now hear the difference how the sound is in the studio. It should be much cleaner, less background noise of course. and yeah, it should sound pretty well. So let's do a quick ambient noise test. So keep quiet for a few seconds. Okay, so hopefully that was actually pretty quiet, and pretty much, yeah, there isn't any clocks here in the environment. We have a light here on top, but I don't think there is any fan noise from that. So having used this VLAV today, I have came across a few issues. First thing is it being 5 meters. It actually gets entangled quite quickly because it's such a long cable. Other thing is, if you call it up, you need to call it in a certain method to actually able to put it back into the case, because after getting it out and actually yeah, using it, I wasn't really able to get it perfectly back into the case that easily. And this is a hard case. If it was a different kind of design, more of a clamshell, it might be much easier, but this being a yeah, pouch like hard case, it's a little bit of yeah, an odd case to use. Personally, I don't like the design of this case, and I rather have like a more of a hard case clamshell instead. And the other thing is also like the battery of this microphone. So the thing is, it uses two really small batteries that you find in like watches or some small electronic things, but those aren't like really like batteries that you can find at every store. And also the issue is because it's running out of battery, so you don't really know when it's going to run out of batteries. That's another issue. I rather use like these kind of lavs being powered by the camera itself than it needing its power on its own. And those were pretty much the main issues. And also, of course, it being 5 meter, also using it with my phone and using my phone as a recorder, you get like a big bundle attached to your phone, and if you put that into your pocket, you get a big bulge instead of it being nicer. So personally for me, I find it would have been a better product if it was just a shorter cable, and maybe that you got like an extension cable next to this. So the main thing is of course the audio, so please comment below what you think of the audio, and also if you want to win a DEITY t-shirt, please comment below, like this video, share it out, and yeah, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. And that was mainly it. Hope you guys find this a interesting video. If you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.